Hi, everybody. I'm going to talk to you about how we're going to set up Sign Up Genius for our Pickering open houses. It's really important, as you can see on the directions, that you have your Zoom set up first because you're going to incorporate it. So if you make your Zoom link first, then you'll be able to quickly do this with me. So you're going to follow along with me. Here we go. So you're going to start with logging in. If you don't have an account, just set one up with your school email. All right, once you're on this main page, you're going to click Create a Sign Up. And when you create your sign up, it's going to give you these options that we have to fill in. So we're going to start with design. So the title of your sign up is going to be your name. I am making this for Ms. Rachel Kennedy, an open house. So it's very clear what this is for. The name of your group, Pickering Middle School. And then your type and category, we're going to go with scheduling and education. Your theme designs, we're going to go with education again. And it's going to give you some options. So I'm just going to grab this first one. You can pick whichever one you like. We need to edit the directions here for our parents. So you're going to click that button. And what you're going to say is write in these directions. So you can copy and paste this right over here and put it right over this message. So the parents are all getting the same message from all of us. And you're going to click Done. So now that is ready to go. So we're going to click Continue and Save. So now we're going to be in slots. You want to pick Sort by Date. And then you're going to hit Add Dates. From Add Dates up here, I want you to pick Add Time Slots because it's going to allow you to make recurring ones and not have to make all 40 slots yourself. It's a one-day thing, so we're going to go from January 19th to January 19th. It's going to start at 3 o'clock p.m. and go until 5 o'clock p.m. And just change this 30 to a 3. The 40 time slots are made. Now, the other thing you want to do is you want to have the location and the Zoom link built in for the parents. You can send them the passcode the day before so that you only get the parents who are signed up. But if you click on this little Zoom camera, it's going to ask for that link. And then you're going to grab what you need and paste it in. You paste in that link that your invitation made for you, that number, and you add it in. Now the Zoom meeting link is going to be built right in for your parents. So you're just going to click Add 40 time slots, and that is made. Then where it says Available Slots, you're going to hit Add Slots, and we're going to give clear directions to our parents. So our title is going to be Guardian and Student Names. And then our helpful comment to remind them is first and last names for both, because we want to know the guardian's full name and the student's full name to make this easier. We can only have one person at a time on all of our slots. So we're just going to click Save now. And you'll see there's the link to the Zoom meeting for them, there's the time slot, and there's the directions. So it's very, very clear to our parents what we are doing. You can either click Save and Continue or come up here to Settings. Now in Settings, we do want the name required. We do want the email required so we can contact them. Comment is optional. We can leave that in if they want that. Come down to Preferences. Unclick Allow People to Swap because we do not want them swapping. We want to have charge over this. Then I want you to click on the word Notifications and make sure that both of those are there, and you'll pick how many days in advance that email will go out, and you'll click Save and Continue. And then from this Publish page, you can look at it, make sure it's what you want, and you can see what it would look like on different devices and all of those good things, and you're just going to click Publish. Then from Publish, you're going to hit Copy Link, and you're going to send it to your cluster leaders so they can send it out to your parents. And you're ready to go. And then when you go in and sign in the future, you'll be able to see it. You'll be able to see who's already signed up and see all of those things. All right. If you have questions, just let me know. It's Carrie.